If I needed $500 in 24 hours, I would not start a business. I would not try to build an audience, and I would not try to get creative. I would do one very specific thing that I've seen work over and over again. When people need money fast, they panic and they overcomplicate. They start thinking they need a product, a funnel, a brand, or a big idea. That's why nothing moves. Fast money is about helping someone, helping someone. So, what would I sell? I would sell my help, not a product. Specifically, help with something I already know how to do. If you can't explain it in 5 minutes, you cannot sell it in 24 hours. For example, an example of helping someone would be to review something, to fix something, to set something up for them, walk them through something, to give them feedback on something they already created. This is custom to them and it's highly valuable, but it's not complicated for you or for them. So focus on helping with one thing. Now, how do you price this? Well, I would price it for something that I only had to sell to 4 or 5 people. So this could be $100 times 5 people, 125 times 4, or 150 times 3 or so. Who do you sell it to? I would sell it to two types of people. The first type of person would be what I call and what it's called a warm audience, meaning people who already know you and trust you. This means people who follow you maybe on Instagram, maybe you have their email address, maybe you have their phone number, and you can text them. If they're on Instagram, potentially you could post about it and DM if you already have connected with them and they know you. These are warm people to have warm outreach. And they oftentimes, and I've seen this happen over and over again with thousands of students, oftentimes this is where you find the hidden treasure because people are looking for what help you have to offer. They just don't know you have it yet. The second type of person I would talk to are people who might connect with me in a pinch if they see it. I wouldn't count on this second group, but it could be that they happen to see it. And this happens all the time too. And what I mean by that is something like threads or comments where you happen to see somebody post about something that they already have a problem with that you know you can help. Now, threads has become really interesting to me over the past few weeks. It's so new and nascent that you can still have a viral quote unquote post even if you're brand new. And in fact, when you're brand new on Threads or you only have a few followers so far, that is when Threads thrives. So either way, if you start an account, already have an account, post something. Don't necessarily put a video up. You don't have to put a photo up. You don't have to worry about that. You just type out some words and you talk about what you have accomplished or what you know how to do or what helped you and how you're helping other people do it. Fast money. Fast money is important because it creates breathing room for you and for me. Breathing room changes how we think and how we react. When we have no money or when we think we have no options, we panic. We get too overcomplicated with the ideas. We stack on products over products over products, and we don't do anything well. But when we have some money in our pockets or money in the bank, we breathe and we make better decisions. Now, here's what you don't do, or what I wouldn't do right now. I wouldn't build a whole new website. I wouldn't create a big course. I wouldn't wait to feel like I'm ready. I face this all the time. Like, I do it scared. And I wouldn't try to make it perfect because perfect does not exist. And this is about getting paid once or a few times. This isn't about the forever thing. So this is the type of thing you need to do in the moment. This is not passive income or a big long-term plan. It's for people who need momentum. And once money moves in, everything else gets easier. Now, if you want to do this with me instead of guessing the next steps, I actually have a really cool thing for you in the description below. My Your First 5K container membership club is now free. Yes, that's right. 2,500 people paid to get in, and now they are founding members and premium members, and everyone else gets in for free. In the past 10 days alone, since I made that announcement, more than 4,500 people have joined from all over. So come in, take the 5-day challenge that I have. It's the $100 offer 5-day challenge. You'll see other people taking it with you. You'll be able to post, and you'll have, from day one, you'll have your offer already figured out so you can get to work. So an hour from now, you could have your offer and you could have it out into the world a couple of hours from now.